Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Vickie's Country Home. Today's just going to be a little bit of an update to show you what I've been up to. This is a confined space, so it's really hard to do a video showing you what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So I have been working on reorganizing my walk-in pantry, but also trying to protect it so that if mice get in here again, it is much easier to clean it up, and it's also much easier to find things when I need them. So let me kind of show you what I've been up to. This curtain is to protect from light, and I've shown this before, but we have a solar tube in the ceiling that goes out to the roof and helps us with light so we don't have to use electricity. So it gives us light a lot of the time. Very seldom have to turn the lights on. But here I have some of my home canned foods. And these are the ones in my working pantry that I'm using all the time, so I want them easily available. And I have a few box things, pastas, and then I have powders and ingredients in mason jars that I use a lot. And then there's some more pint canned goods. I have some of my cookware there. Down here on the bottom is what I've really been working on. So let me see if I can get down here and show you. I had trouble finding stuff, but I'd still want to protect it. So I use these jar boxes, which work great. But then you have to open them up to see what's in them. So what I've done is I have numbered every one of these boxes. And these go all the way back into the corner behind my upright freezer. And they're different kinds of boxes, but they're all numbered. And then what I've done, and I am not complete on this, I've created inventory cards that tell me box number, where it's at, what size, and what's in it. And usually the dates also. That really helps because we won't be digging through boxes. I know exactly where to go to get it. There's more. Let's see, we have baking supplies, we've got canning supplies back here, and more dry and powdered goods up here. So this is really what I've been up to. Alright, so what I've done to make it easier on myself is I created spreadsheets on my iPad. And so what I'm doing is I not only will have the information on each card that tells me what is in each of these boxes and where it is. I've also created these spreadsheets, and it's real simple. It's the same information. I have a box number, the size, date, item, date, quantity, and location where it's at. And then in each of them it says what size container. So this one would be a box of 6 half-gallons. And I have what's in there, whether it's dried or canned, or could be dehydrated, home dehydrated, freeze-dried, whatever it is. It's going to tell me here the date if it's applicable and how many of each I have. What I'm hoping to do, and I'm going to have to do a little bit of studying on this because I'm really not super familiar with that, is I'm going to try and put a pivot table in there so it'll draw information from one spreadsheet and put it into another in another format. But that's That's for the future. So I've just gone in and done this on several, and I have a number for each spot in the box, whether it's 12 in a case or 6 or whatever the case may be. But I only listed, if there's 12, I only list one item. Why create extra work? So I'm going through doing this to everything because I need some organization. I need to know what I have, where it's at, and where the oldest ones are, so I can use those first. So just thought maybe this would help someone, and I hope that if it will, that you give it a try. It's been a little bit of work and a little bit of time to get this all set up and actually do it. So anyway, hope you got some ideas. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Hit the little notification bell and make sure you tell it to notify you of all videos. God bless, and we will talk again soon.